Hi, you already know how easy your life gets with an autopay setup. With an autopay setup, all your monthly payments get automated and hence you need not worry about SIP dates any longer. So, what are you waiting for? Follow these steps and get started. Before we proceed, please make sure that you keep your net banking or debit card details handy to complete the setup. Open your Groww app and go to your profile or your section. Click on bank details and then click on three dots next to it and select setup autopay. Press continue after agreeing to the terms and conditions. You will be taken to a setup page. Go through the details and click submit. Read the NPCI debit card flow disclaimer and proceed. Fill in your details and press continue. Next, enter the OTP and press verify. So, your autopay request has been successfully sent to your bank. Note, it may take 3 to 4 working days for the bank to approve autopay.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.